Okay, we'll do a quick video on fixing your gas on your Atwood Dometic hot water heater. Okay, first thing is, this is the factory one. It's hot water heater was working perfectly. It just stopped working. It was this. Okay, so I got a new motherboard off of Amazon. Well, it's the same thing. Made in China. And so I put the new motherboard in and it fired back up, but it would only run for 5 seconds and shut off, kept shutting off. So I switched out the thermal fuse. Of course, that didn't work. And I switched out the heat sensor, which is what I thought it would be. But it wasn't. So here are the 3 things you're gonna fix. That's your motherboard right there. This is a dinosaur board. Forget about it. Just buy the dinosaur board. Don't buy anything else. Don't try to save money. Just buy the dinosaur board. RV Tech said he goes through 2 or 3 of the Chinese ones before he gets one to work. Dinosaur boards work immediately. It does have a cover on it. This is your thermal fuse right here. Buy a couple of those. They're about 20 bucks. If the flames shoot out of here too high, it pops that thermal fuse. That's very easy. Pop it on, pop it off. Here's your striker. That clips on there. Right there, that has a sensor on it. That could be it too, because it's not sensing the flame and it shuts the gas off. But generally it is this. And you just unclip that and snap it back in. It takes about 5 minutes. So that's about it. Mine worked on electric, but it did not work on gas. And it was working fine, and it just stopped working. So do not buy the cheap Chinese replacements. They don't work. It's not even worth buying it. It's 46 bucks. The dinosaur was $135, and I'm done with it. I don't have a problem.